Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete a minute up on the bit, and as you can see on the screen, dancehall artist Spice's best friend Richie Feelings is talking about Lisa Hyper's situation. As you know, homegirl put on a piece of show at the airport yesterday, looking for Vibes Cartel. Dexter up attention, you see me saying she get locked. You know what I mean? So before we hear what he has to say about our deal, because he's giving some insight because he actually knows Lisa. You know what I mean? But before we hear what he has to say, I got a DM yesterday in early morning, as you can see, 7 o'clock before all of these episodes go down, and them must say, Spice says she praying for Lisa, and it says pray for the apps. But whenever Spice pray for people, especially Lisa says Obeah, as you can see on the right-hand side of the screen. So I don't know if Spice prayer send Lisa back where she there, So hopefully Lisa will come out and say this is not true. She apologized to everybody. You see what I said? Because I see a lot of people saying that Lisa is talking the truth. And people for stop, tell lie on her. Yeah, can you believe? Yeah. Let's hear what Richie Feelings is saying and proceed to the next.
Nurse, remember this morning I say I have a call here, I'm not hear from you from a long time. And as morning light are you there, watch out my life. Good morning. How you doing? I want to have a little quick talk. Don't know. Greetings, everyone. Tash. Remember me yet here, Paper. Say, I see that Lisa hypes up me a handful. And I watch it from what day, See? Remember I watch that Lisa hypes up me and I decide to say I say nothing because you don't know. Everybody attack and everybody attack. But when them attack, some people attack while some people laugh and I make clout. Like some people just have her as a little joke. People say Cartel mother, and every time Cartel do this and that and that and that. See, I remember I go to a man comment on something when I say happen with her, and when I comment, one of her friend reach out to me. See, and when them reach out to me, them a tell me say a long time. Them a say about some 11 or 12 years now, them a go through it with Lisa. See, them a try to get the help. Them say even when time she did their foreign, and them did their help her, because everybody asks one to her friend and one to her family. Everybody asks that question there. One to her friend and one to her family. And I tell you something. People are talking about mental health and all kind of thing. Everybody a doctor. But I'm telling you something. If you never have a family member where go through something like this, you will never understand. You will never understand. Remember, we see Lisa come on every day. She got a foreign, and when she got a foreign, she there in the airport for hours. Nobody no come pick her up. She out at the airport a cuss. And I call be people name so she done with them and handbag or something. That's when she there in Florida the other day. right? She come back to Jamaica, find herself up at AC hotel. Remember, she no book up there. She not have no room up there. None of that she not have up there. She go find herself over Bima, over appliance traders, and take picture. You understand? Remember say, me hear be people get up and them say a cartel cause this and a cartel cause that. See? You see, when time somebody I go through an episode like this, it's hard to control them. Them will fight you. Them will use any weapon where them have and stab you up. Them will do anything with you. So you have to be careful. It's not something that somebody can easily control. It's not something that you can just go to Obama and just say, yo, yeah man, make a whole lot and make a do this and that. No, and a psycho. Me can tell you from personal experience. Seeing somebody, one person can talk to her, one person. I don't know who is that person, but somebody, like she will listen to one person. Because if you notice, she could have every friend where she have, she run with everybody. Everybody afraid of her because again, them don't know what she have on her person, like them don't know if she have no weapon. And if she have a certificate, them are going to give her an injection and the injection are going to calm her. Seeing? The injection are going to calm her. Remember say a whole heap of people, enough youth go through it. Enough time when you see some people on all the road. Them just go through an episode. Seeing? And them family just turn them back against them. Remember again, I don't know Lisa I personally. But I can tell you this. You see down at Bellevue, a whole heap of people carry them family down there, go left them down there. One of the time I got Bellevue till my favor down there. Seeing? And I say want somebody writing on one site. I don't know which side writing and say one of the time Lisa go with one 4-year-old baby. And how much days them can't find her and the baby. All of them suck me out true. All of them suck me out true. See? All of them suck me out true. So, the reason why I come on and attack this and tell you say I want serious something. And my mother used to be in a situation like that. See? My mother used to be in a situation like that. I can tell you. Remember, when my son is 4, my mother goes to Obama and go through an episode. And my mother goes to Obama and take my son and go with him. And one time I go to Obama and come from work and them say, yo, Sandra gone with Puffy. It's a call me get. And them say, yo, she out of Rockfort. And I go to Obama and take a taxi and reach out of Rockfort. She know out there when I look and see my son in a bad pan a bed. Seeing? It reach at a stage where they see all the police them. Same way like when you see Lisa go on. When you see all the police them, my mother fight all police. I fight all police. Police are the car down. Me dey all a dance a play and I go on. And me dey a dance a play. You know see somebody else come and say, your mother down a town and strip naked, you know. Your mother down a town naked. I remember, she have knife, she have buckle, she have cursing oil, she have all kind of things, all kind of bag of carry around. You think a little bit of time them tell me, oh, your mother mad. Suck mad Sanja. I go through the whole of them thing there. So, when I see Lisa hype, I go on with them thing here. I something bother me. Because I know the feeling. I got Bellevue. One of the time when Christmas come, I never like Christmas. I don't like Christmas because every Christmas is like my mother goes up and chip out. And I go down to Bellevue and I tell her, say, them not deal with the people them go down there. See, and this from a long time, this me I tell about, you know. See, so enough people up on the internet a laugh and a laugh and a go on and a go on. You never ever know where a family member go through until your family where you really care about. Because when you have a family in a business about your family, nothing no bother you, nothing no hurt you. Nothing no bother you and nothing no hurt you. You hear me say? Nothing no bother you and hurt you when time you don't have a family member. You just go live your life. Yeah man, them alright, you know, them a do them thing, but it's once a year family. Once a year family. Remember say you have different type of mental health, you know. Remember say, just like how you have good, remember you have evil. And remember Obeah real. All who are going like say them no believe say Obeah real, yeah. Obeah real. Them thing they're real. Good and evil are real. Zin? You have some little youth where you wonder what the little youth is so promising. And then all of a sudden the youths are bright at school and they say a B grade, a B, A plus, A minus, A this, A that, it does go on so. Bright like morning star, young little youth all 13 years old. And when you check it out, the youth just go say man lose him weight. All of a sudden the youth gone. See? We're in a world right now where at the internet page with them and people have to take out them phone and people laugh off of everything. Everything people laugh off of. Everything people just a laugh and a laugh and a laugh. Denial is a rotted thing. When you live in a denial, is a thing. Because now, enough people, I say all in a Lisa comment to talk about, Lord the girl, left the girl, Lord the girl on her phone. Right? Only don't know nothing. And we not call nobody little picnic because you can have your phone and dip on live and dip on TikTok. And I watch people business. You have a little picnic, you have sense. And you know what is right. And you know what is wrong. See? You know what is right, you know what is wrong. So no found did it and a cheer her and a jeer her and no know our family them feel. I say our friend was a bomb last week and say, yo, me I wash my hand. Because the friend I try, everybody bash the friend because again, the friend reach a point where she get fed up and she say, boy, I better wash my hand from this, me have more a problem them. Me and her a friend, but me can't do no more. Me can't do no more. Only our family will love her alone and go stick by her. Everybody I go dig off left her. Everybody I go dig off leave Lisa. And Lisa alone I go dead it. Uncle I really love what if her mother, her father, her sister. Only who truly love her I go dead it. No found with up on the internet. You're not going back to the regular life and go live on the life, man. You're going to live on the regular life and I wonder what's next on the internet, man. What this we can go laugh about? Where this we can go laugh about? Who we can go now, who for life we can go pan for catch little mix up because the phone family not affect you. You don't notice when time on the family dead. On the come on the ball, on the ask for prayers. So see him we like on the ask for prayers for the family. Ask for prayers for other people to know. Ask for prayers for stranger to know. See him we like on can come on and come go on. I want serious thing. And you have a next one, my mental illness way. Because you see, you not found you never got through it yet. May I explain some of them too. No? Me I'm not a doctor, but me have experience in enough of them something. I don't know the name of it, or the fact that part of health that mentally go away. You expect so you forget something, and a year one, and it due to you, and somebody forget it. Like in a year, you feel like some people owe you something, you forget car, you forget house, till you start tell lie, and say, yeah man, me have a Benz, you know. Me have this and me have that, you know, and my house there up a Stone Hill, you know. Me house there up a Stone Hill and a 6-bedroom and rare. In them mind, them a say, yeah man, that due to me because sometimes you have some youth that it's so bright and aspire for have a house, have a Benz, have a whole heap of money in a bank. But then them go to and start see some other youth a reach and a make it so them try live up to them people the expectation. See? And then now people are laughing and say, yeah man, a true man. A true man. Where this and that and that and that. But you do not even know, say, when you go to Obama look deep down in it. It's a name feet, you know. But me no remember the name. Me no remember the name. That when you go to Obama and them sit down and them remember, like them just have that in their mind, say, yo, it's due to them and it owed to them. Remember when you see Lisa go over waiting, they go take picture and say cartel by her bima. Remember she go take picture over ATL and she a big up Scotia Bank and she a big up this and she a big up that. See? Remember them says that them say she a some farm a schizophrenia she have. We see them thing up on TV all the while, but we still never take it serious until we start see we own a family and go through it. See? And I say be people, they stay and get up and attack and I go on. None of them not try to understand and say, yo, all I know we interview Lisa. All I know we interview Lisa after Uno goes up and watch back that. Uno do it for views. Because I know enough I want to do it for, I'm in a business. Jeffrey, the fix.
Yeah, put in the comment section where you think about that. You can go on my King Mix Up channel and check out previous episodes with Lisa Hyper. Yes, because we're not going to long out this no longer your site. Yeah. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest though. Bless.